Right, hi everyone, welcome back. This time on this freezing cold morning. It's not quite freezing, but it's bloody chilly. Back on to doing the inner sill on the Mini Neon. Obviously I ran out of gas the other day, so didn't get any, but we got a new bottle of gas down there now, so let's crack on and get all of this welded in properly. so there we go, we've got that welded in there now, or the majority of it anyway. I don't know how well it'll come out on camera, it's a bit dark in here today. But yeah, didn't weld too bad. Bit of a scabby bit there where I just tried to fill it in, but I'll just grind that down. Now we're all connecting to the panel at the front, back of the wheel arch. So yeah, it's all gone in good. I'm happy with that. I've plug welded the cross member section in, plug welded the bin in there, but I need to get underneath now and put some plug welds in up in the bottom of the companion bin, but I don't think I'm going to film that. I think I'll just get all the rest of the welding done under there, and I'll come back and show you what I've done. Right, so that's all the bits underneath done there. Just put a load of plug welds in along here, seam welded it down there, seam welded it across there, down there, plug welded in all the bottom of the companion bin, and run a weld along underneath where the cross member is rather. So yeah, that's this piece all in now. Right, so next bit is probably going to be get this bit tied in. I've still got a piece up in the other side in there as well, so we'll get that and that sorted out, and then we'll work our way to the front. Still not quite ready to put the outer sill on yet, but yeah, it's all good, it's coming together. I need to repair that as well obviously, but I'll do that with this piece. But I did say I was going to make a panel to go in there, but I got this instead. See, I'm not using all of it, and they're a bit rubbish because it should have a bit of a curve in it, and it's flat, but I'm only going to use it just to come in, take that bit of rot out, that bit out, we'll just come down to here, so we should be able to put enough curve on it to sort that bit out. Right, let's do it.